Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. And if you're looking to upgrade your blind system, then look no further because these blackout blinds are incredible. These are motorized, no drill, and you heard me correctly, blinds that are so easy to install. The quality of these blinds is really well made with a charge that will last a full charge up to 6 months and easy charging connections with a C charge, and you can even have a magnet that places on, making it convenient. It was again so easy to install. You can get it in there. It has this push in, and then you twist this to fix it and secure it into place. And this is very snug. These blinds are sturdy, and I haven't had to drill into my inside mount into the wall at all. This remote control is so easy to use, and you can even attach it to your wall just like so, and it looks very modern and beautiful. Or you have the remote, and it looks pretty even on the outside. It really is a nice upgrade and stunning with an extended cable and solar panel that's included. It makes charging this a breeze and fun. You can actually stick this solar panel on your window so that if it collects sun, it can charge your blinds. This can also be connected to Alexa to make it really convenient, and they tailor the size perfectly to fit my window. So they did a wonderful job. I had no hassle, and it came perfectly packaged. The quality of the material is timeless, and this has been the best addition to our bedroom. We love them, but that's just my point of view.